There's ROCKSTEADY at King of the Pit TV.
There's ROCKSTEADY at King of the Pit TV. We're listening to Cannibal Corpse tonight. I'm sipping on a vodka and passion fruit fizzy pop as we speak. Only just started at the start of this record, so as we go through, I'm probably going to start slurring and burring a little bit. Gutted is the title of this one. It's track number 2. Let's go. Butchered at Birth is what we're listening to. Very organic drum kit sound. I like the artwork. I like the woman in particular who's laying on this this slab, cause her skin is pure white like marble, and although it is grotesque, there is a classical element to it. You know, there is a it is a good display of artwork. You know, someone talented has put this together, albeit very gruesome and grotesque. The pitch black background as well, just like black as the night there, very striking. Henry Griffin 40 says Butchered at Birth is the best Cannibal Corpse work. Someone said the intro sounded like Piece by Piece. I didn't pick up on that. Come on. I think it marks a great sort of middle ground, a great transition from the 80s to the 90s, because this was put out in 91, and it just sounds so incredibly traditional, but the production value is good. It's really good, and there's something about it. There really is something about it that seems to be ahead of its time, and I think it might be the production. I think it might be how clean it sounds. Without sort of ridding of the traditional value, because that drum kit in particular sounds very organic, which I like. I think that the kick drum sounded a bit punchy there at the end. I wanted, you know what I mean, were triggers a thing at this point? I doubt it, but you know where I'm coming from. We got Living Dissection coming up next.